Here I have a PDF of income statement and I need to edit it in Excel. But when I copy the data from the PDF and paste it into Excel, the formatting gets messed up. In this video, I'll show you how to convert a PDF into an editable Excel file while keeping the original formatting the same. I have seen many tools, but most of them are online and require uploading files. I do not want my private data to be uploaded anywhere. Then I found a tool that works completely offline called Systweak PDF Editor. You can download Systweak PDF Editor from the link given in the description. Let us begin. First, click Open PDF and select the PDF file you want to convert. Now go to the top menu bar and click on Convert. From here, click Convert to. Select PDF to Excel from the available options. A new window will appear. Here, confirm the output format and choose the destination folder where you want to save the Excel file. Now click Convert to Excel. The tool will instantly convert your PDF into an Excel file and save it in the selected folder. Let us check the files. Here is the original PDF and here is the Excel file created from it. As you can see, the data is now editable inside Excel. Now let us quickly look at one more useful option. You can also convert multiple PDF files to Excel format at the same time. Just click on Convert, then go to Batch Process and select Batch Convert. Just add multiple PDFs, choose Excel in the output format, select the output folder and start the conversion. This saves a lot of time when working with many files. This entire process works offline, so your documents stay private and secure. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, comment your questions below and share this video with anyone who works with PDFs.